Have you ever wondered how does it look like and feel like to be a day trader, and how long do we actually day trade in a day? Well, don't worry. If you want to know exactly what's the case, then stay along because I'm going to show you exactly the trade that I took today. I pretty much live trade every single day, and today I wanted to record myself taking the trade. Yesterday I also did that, $700 yesterday, today 500. But it's not just a regular trade recap. I actually recorded myself live to the camera, show everything because I'm just recording these to my younger self, because when I wasn't profitable, when I wasn't making any money in these markets, all I saw in this industry on YouTube that people just were teaching a strategy, but they never showed themselves actually using the strategy. So that's why in this video, I'm going to show you the exact reality of a young day trader. I'm 17. I'm about to turn 18 tomorrow, but I'm 17. I've been day trading for almost 4 years. I've been profitable for almost 2 years, but let's get on with it. I'm going to show you exactly the trade that I took today. So let's get into the charts. Following this trend. Oh, wow. All right, it's shorted, man. But the news didn't have any impact whatsoever, so that's cool. 10 a.m. news. All right, guys, with TP1, that is 1 hour time frame liquidity, so I'm gonna take a good amount from that, and now I'm still running. That is 1 hour time frame liquidity after the 10 a.m. news, so I'm gonna take a chunk of the trade. Very close to break even. Very, very close to break even, guys. Okay, there we go. There we go. Boom. Wow. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, guys, so I took a W. I'm cool. This was the trade for me. All right. So $500 today. Today was kind of 1 TP, but the thing here is I took a very big chunk of the trade at 1 TP because this was calculated. This was all calculated. This is a real quick trade recap. This is 1 hour time frame liquidity. It has a lot of liquidity. As you can see, this is like a liquidity pool. This had a lot of liquidity. We will already see in the 15. This is like constant. It was consolidation at one point, but look at this. Took the liquidity immediately, going to the other direction as predicted. So what happened is I took this trade following this trend. Look at this. This is actually a very nice trend. We will already see this. Lower low, lower high, lower low. As you can see, but this is obviously in the higher time frame zone. As you can see, this is lower low, lower high, lower low. That's how the trend moves. And what happens in a trend, guys, we have to understand. Look at this. Hold on. Session open. There was a huge dump to the downside. I was waiting, but no reaction, not much. But lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. What happens? What can change the trend direction? At least part time, for some time. What could it be? Volume change, liquidity sweep, or news. This time it was the freaking liquidity sweep. We can literally see this liquidity sweep, direction switch. Obviously, yeah, this could perhaps respect the trend after all, but like I told you, it can momentarily switch its direction. That's what it did. Had a pretty good partial in there, so it makes sense, guys. But pretty much this was a trade. $500. I'm most definitely take that. Yesterday was $700. Yesterday was a full trade, obviously. Yesterday was a full trade. But this is very good. NAS, NQ trade. I'm gonna take it. Everybody in the Discord got paid. I got paid. And 1 TP. I'm gonna take that. But guys, one thing though I have to say, this trade was actually very big in size. Like in trade size. Look at this. A lot of pips and points. 848 pips. That's a big trade. You have to understand. It was around 1 to 2 reshort ratio. 1 to 2 reshort ratio could also be sometimes a size of a freaking peanut. Look at this. So it was no small trade if you think about it. But I'm most definitely take that. Super good trade. Yeah, man. This is another day. Today's Thursday. Very up on the month. Very up on the week. Everybody's getting paid. But yeah, man. There you saw it. $500 today. It's alright, $700 yesterday, but I'm not here to flex on you again. I'm not here to flex. I'm here to show you the reality. And as you can see, I'm showing everything. Today was 1 TP. Obviously, I took a full chunk, like a big chunk of the freaking trade away from the TP, because if you think about it, there was a lot of liquidity down there. And again, this is a lesson. Liquidity is something that if it gets hit, it can change the whole freaking direction, the bias of the market. And it did that. That's a quick little lesson. Liquidity is very important. And to be honest, if you want to learn more, if you want to actually learn the strategy that I use every single day, if you want to actually become profitable completely for free, then it should be the first link in the description. Get access to the free course, free trading community, free lucky wheel. You can spin it every single day, win PlayStation 5s, freaking Airport Maxes, etc. man. Enjoy, but take advantage of that while you can. It should be the first link in the description, okay? Complete for free. But man, let me know if you learned from this video in the comment section, alright? But all I gotta say, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.